Hello po ate. Ano pong name niyo po?
Christina po.
Year and what department po?
I'm second year and from Kaba Department.
And yung tanong ko po, ano po yung honest review niyo to find the value of X po?
Actually, yung movie is nakakakilig talaga and the ending was really unexpected na other guy pala yung gumagawa ng efforts from the beginning at hindi yung jowa or ex nung bida dun sa movie na yun.
Yun lang.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ano pong name niyo?
I am Diana Rustifo po, second year BSc.
Year and what department po?
Second year, Kaba Department.
Ito po yung question. Ano po yung honest review niyo sa Find the Value of X?
Honestly, maganda talaga siya. Actually, isa ako sa cast ng Find the Value of X. Ako din si Ma'am Castro. And meron kaming premiere day and lahat ng film na panood namin. And masasabi ko lang na yung atin ang pinakamaganda. Hindi siya biased, okay? Pero honest review lang talaga yun. And I think we deserve that award nung nakuha natin kahapon. Yun lang naman.
Thank you po.